One devotee was saying, I think I should choose a guru who, like, is heavy because I need my false ego smashed, and spiritual life is not meant to be easy, and I need someone who will, like, make it more difficult for me. We need hardships to grow, and that it would be good to choose a guru who's always stretching me or giving me instructions that are a little more difficult, and that's the guru I should choose. It may be true, but there's also another way of looking at it. Guru should be someone who inspires you to want to surrender. Guru should be someone who you feel is bringing you closer to Prabhupada. Guru should be someone who pulls out your love and affection. As Prabhupada said, Krishna sends the guru to help you. Krishna appears as the guru so you can serve and love this person. And it is said, you don't understand love until you meet your guru. So to find that person who draws out real love, because we don't have love, we have selfishness. And you find that by this one, I'm with this person. It's drawing out this devotion. So that's a very, very important aspect of the guru. So whether it's the challenges or whether it's easy, that maybe is a personal decision, but you should consider it within the context of really how will this help me pull out my bhakti and inspiration, because we need inspiration. And I met many devotees who have no personal interaction with their guru. Their guru doesn't even visit the country they're in. But they're so inspired by their guru's example. They're so inspired by his instructions. They would tell me, he said, when I hear him, and they're hearing him online, when I read what he says, I just want to serve him. I just want to surrender. And so that's a very important consideration. Who is that person you want to serve? Who is that person you want to surrender to? Who is that person who you feel such affection that they can give you an instruction that's difficult, and you say, yes, I want to do that. I want at least try. I think that's very important. So as far as other considerations, like you may say, yes, I need these hard instructions. I need instructions that will stretch me. That may be true. But at the same time, if your guru is not giving you those instructions that will stretch you, there's other gurus that will. And you can hear from them, and they'll give you instructions that will shake you up and spin you around and make you realize what your anarthas are and how you have to go forward. So that's also there. But speaking from personal experience, I felt my whole Krishna consciousness was really founded in my desire to please Prabhupada. And that helped me transcend my own selfish desire. So to have that very strong desire to please your guru is very, very important. That when I see him and I'm with him, I just want to serve him. It just comes out of me, and I overcome my selfishness. I think that's an extremely important consideration. And that consideration is not really intellectual. I think the question that was presented is perhaps a little more intellectual, more analytical of what I need. This is more, you could say, practical reality, that when I see this person, I feel like I want to serve. And that's so important, because we're so selfish. We always want to serve ourselves, and it's difficult to overcome our own needs and desires. But when you have that love and affection for someone, it's very easy to overcome that. No, what do you want me to do? I'll do it. Just like we went out day after day, hour after hour, to distribute Prabhupada's books, despite whatever difficulties and discomfort and austerity we had to go through. Why did we do that? Because we knew he would be pleased. We knew at the end of the day he would smile on us, and that's all we wanted. So that's something very important to consider, that this person inspires me so much to give myself to Krishna. Hare Krishna.